Hello, this is the Simon Air I got as a prize at Dave & Buster's. I'm just going to do a quick video showing the prize, how it works, and basically trying to figure out if it's really worth it. So for this toy, I paid 4,700 tickets at Dave & Buster's Arcade. Someone might ask, like, value-wise, how much is money-wise is 4,700 tickets? I don't know. It's really hard to say. I've never actually sat down and done the math because I never pay full price for my Dave & Buster's credits. I always use coupons, and you know, sometimes we win a lot of jackpots, sometimes we don't. So I think it's just really hard to quantify it money-wise, and I don't know. I don't really want to think too hard on it. But 4,700 tickets, I don't know, it's a fair amount for people who only go to Dave & Buster's a couple times a year. So anyway, this is the Simon Air. I absolutely love Simon Says. It's a popular game from the 80s. It might have actually been made before that, but I just remember having one in the 80s. And this is called a Simon Air 2015 from Hasbro. I've never heard of it. And it does say it has demo batteries included. I'm assuming that just means it's got batteries that don't have a full life. So let's see if I can take this out of the box pretty easily. I see tape right here. I'm just gonna cut it. It does say this is, it's got more than one version. It does have a single player version, which is good because my husband's working and he doesn't want to play Simon Says. He don't like it like I do. So let's see. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, it says it has a single version, a double version, a two-player, a swoop. I don't know. There is, okay. Trying to see if there's any instructions. They didn't really tell me there is no instructions. Here we go. I knew there had to be instructions. Right in here is a little instruction booklet. Let's see if I can get it out without ripping it. Oh, maybe not. Oh, sorry. I'll just hit my tripod. There it is, right there. There's the instructions. So let me pause this as I read the instructions real quick. All right, it seems pretty simple. So they have three modes: single player, double player, and classic. So the classic is a solo player. The reason that they have classic is because for the single and double, there's a couple moves where all three will light up at once and then you have to wave to get all three. So I'm not, quite sure I understand that part yet. So let's just start with the classic. And you don't actually press down. You can see the sensors. You're supposed to just wave your hand near the sensors, and that should register that you've touched it. I mean, you don't touch it. You know what I'm trying to say? So let's, and then, so it says start with the blue, blue, green, oh my God, I'm forgetting all. Ugh, I forgot. All right. Okay, so that was telling you your score, like it's 10 points for each time it lit up. So if I would have been paying attention, I would have seen like how many in a row I got right. I think I got 7 in a row. Okay, so let's try it again. Oh man. No. I'm thinking of other stuff. I know I'm gonna mess up because I'm thinking. So as I'm playing, so that's telling me how many I got in a row. I was thinking about how much I really do like this, because if you've ever played the original Simon Says, you're always like slamming on the buttons and eventually your hand starts to hurt. For this one, when you're not actually touching anything, I love it. My hands are not hurting at all. So that was pretty cool. So let's switch to the solo with the new moves. Let's see, so what it was saying, like this new air moves, let me make sure I understand this correctly. So, swoop, 2 or 3 lights lit in a sequence. Smoothly slide your hand near the lights. So it sounds like it's gonna be yellow, green, and red, and you're supposed to go like that to get that to work. A double swoop, yellow and green lights lit, and then shift to green and red using both hands. Oh, that looks like it's only for the 2-player. No, that says a double swoop. Okay, yellow and green lights lit, and then shift to green and red. Use both hands to swoop from yellow and green to green and red. All right, so there's a chance you're gonna have to use 2 hands. Cross over yellow and red light, then green light. Hover near yellow and red, then have both hands up to the green crossing over. Oh my God, that actually sounds really complicated, but we'll try it. Oh my God. I just got lost. I don't understand. Ugh. All right, let's try that again. I think that was a double swoop. Oh my God. Let me double check that real quick. So that's good. 2 swoop, 2 or 3 lights. That's just telling me I took too long. 2 or 3 lights lit in a sequence. Smoothly slide your hand near the lights. Oh my God. All right, let's try it again. Okay, what? Did it start all over? Because I don't get it. I'm not getting this swoop. Let's try it again. Okay, so what it's doing is I passed that level. It's going through levels. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, what did oh, it was 2 green. Okay, so what it was when you do the first, which is called the single player, you progress. And I didn't realize that. All right, let's try it again. what did I do wrong? Okay. I actually really enjoyed that. So the first one is a progressive, it's probably gonna make weird noise. Anyway, so the first one is a progressive, and the farther you get, the harder it is. So did it say how many levels it was? Okay, so for the solo game, there are 16 levels. If you successfully complete all the moves in a level, you will start a new sequence that will be longer and more challenging. Wow, I really enjoyed that. So yeah, so if you like Simon, I definitely highly recommend getting this. This may be my new favorite toy of the year, which is only January 2nd. So is it fair to say this is my new favorite toy of the year? Oh my God, I love this. I can totally see myself playing this a lot because I am a huge Simon Says fan, and honestly, if you're a child of the 80s like me, every time I play this, does anyone agree? It just reminds me of the movie Close Encounters of the Third Kind. I love that movie, one of my favorite movies, and the whole time I'm playing it, I'm thinking of like Richard Dreyfuss. It's very funny. Am I the only one? Comment down below if this makes you think of Close Encounters. Anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, I definitely think this game is worthwhile. A good choice to spend your tickets at Dave & Buster's. And anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.